I'm.
Don't do sign language.
Why?
Guys,
Hi,
just
my name is
why are you doing
Angela.
sign language? Don't do it.
I even did it wrong. Okay, this is gonna be my pick. And I'm doing a song called "I Remember You Forever." It's for someone. They already know. They already seen the song. So right, here we go. Okay. Oh, I don't think I'm up for this. Okay, here. There you go.
Here are the lyrics.
Yeah.
You are you are the smile on my face, and you can see it well, but so that
Yeah.
that's the whole page.
That's called "I'll Remember You Forever."
By Angela Belpiglio.
Gosh, you so funny. Okay, no, what else is that? Alright, so
You know this is low battery.
this little battery. Alright, hold on, I gotta.
We gotta go.
Alright.
Bye.
Adios, amigos.
This is going on YouTube.
This is gonna go on YouTube. Watch it to go on YouTube. Okay. Arrivederci, which means
That's
we'll meet again
Angela.
in Italian. I'm Italian, half Puerto Rican, half Italian. And adios, amigos.
And I'm her sister.
Yes, and that's my sister, Gloria. Is there anything else you need to say?
I don't know. Who's the song for?
I can't say who it's for. I don't think I can say who it's for. I'll spell it out. I'll sign spell it. Let me do that again. Okay.
Hurry up.
There you go. I signed so slow. Alright. Okay, I finger spell so slow. Alright. Bye-bye.
Wait.